Next question is related to internet as a basic right. Internet as a basic right. As a basic right. It can be. So there is a Information Technology Act 2000 and Criminal Procedure Act, Criminal and Procedure Act, that was 1973, and one more act, that was Telegraph Act, and that is in 18 and 85. These three acts are important. One is the Criminal Procedure Act, IT Act, and Telegraph Act. So freedom of speech and expression. So what is about the freedom of expression? Freedom of speech and expression. Freedom of speech and expression, which is providing in 19(1) and 8. Okay, and this is principle of proportionality under the Article 19 and 2. And punishment should not be disproportionate to the offence committed. The state interference with this exercise of right must be proportionate to the goal it seeks to achieve. Freedom of trade, that was in Article 19(1) and G. 19(1) and G, that was given the freedom of trade and commerce. And suspension of internet for indefinite period not permissible. So you are suspending the internet for the long period, that is not providing. But in Article 19G there is a freedom of trade, and 19 and 1 there was a free speech. So section 144 of CRPC imposed for the reason of apprehend danger. If there is any danger in the country, then you can impose the IPC 144. Okay, IPC of the 144 in case CRPC, or CRPC of 144 in case of danger, and there must be an emergency situation, then only you can impose this. Okay, so powers under the section 144, that is should be exercised in the reasonable and bona fide manner. It should be reasonable manner, and it should be bona fide manner. Okay, then only you can impose the restrictions. And it enable for the judicial review. It also enable for the judicial review, and it enable for the judicial review. Okay, so this is about the CRPC of the 144. It is about the CRPC of the 144, and this is colonial era law that empowered a district magistrate. DM is empowering here. DM is empowered here. A subdivisional magistrate or any other executive magistrate to empower the state government to issue order to prevent and address the urgent case of danger and a nuisance. So this usually include the restriction on the movement, carrying arm, and from the assembling unlawfully. Okay, so this can be used to restrict even a single individual. Even a single individual, if he is doing something wrong against the society, then he can even say you are now restricted. Okay, for the single human being also we can use the CRPC 144. Okay, so duration of the order passed under the section cannot remain in the force for more than 2 months. So this order will be remain for the 2 months and from date of the order, unless the state government consider necessary. Even then, the total period cannot be extended more than 6 months. So this order will be remain the 2 months, and total order means be 6 months. Okay, so temporary suspension of telecom service rule, and the rule were framed the Ministry of Communication Indian Telegraph Act. So rule was made under the Ministry of Communication, and that was under the Telegraph Act. So interest of the sovereignty and integrity of India. It's important for the interest of the sovereignty and the integrity of the India, and any other order suspending internet under the rules can be only for a temporary duration and not for indefinite period, and this will only be for the temporary period, not for the indefinite period. Okay, so other judgments are there, like Fahima Shireen and State of Kerala. Kerala High Court declared the right to internet access as a fundamental right. So which state? Kerala state is given the right to internet as a as a fundamental right, okay. And forming the part of the right to privacy under article. And in the Kerala state, now internet, they are saying internet is a fundamental right, and they are providing the internet in article 21 of the constitution with the right to privacy, okay. So this all about the basic right, internet as a basic right. This all was the internet as a basic right.